everyone, welcome to Molly's Storytime. Today's story is Little Croc and Bird by Tony Maddox. Little Croc was always getting into trouble. He just couldn't help it. "Play nicely," said Mummy Croc. "Don't annoy the other animals," said Daddy Croc. "Okay," sighed Little Croc, but he soon forgot. He ran across the backs of the hippos. He shouted at the zebras and made them jump. He swung on the monkeys' tails and sent the parrots into a panic. Little Croc was so naughty. Everyone hid when they saw him coming. "Oh, good," he said. "No more silly animals to get in my way." So Little Croc played by himself, and he always won. He played throwing games, and he always threw the furthest. He played hide and seek, and no one ever found him. "I've won again," said Little Croc. But suddenly it seemed very quiet, and Little Croc felt lonely. As he lay wondering what to do next, a small bird flew down and perched on his back. "I'll be your friend if you promise to play nicely," says Bird. "That's the trouble," said Little Croc. "I want to be nice, but I'm not very good at it." "It's quite easy," said Bird, "if you really try." Said Little Croc thoughtfully. "Could you show me?" "Of course," said Bird. So Bird showed Little Croc how to chase butterflies without hurting them, how to swing on branches without scaring the parrots, and how to play hide and seek together. Then they lay on their backs and watched the fluffy white clouds drifting across the sky. "I like having a friend," said Little Croc. As the days passed, Little Croc made friends with all the other animals too. He pulled thorns from the leopard's paw with his strong jaws. He untangled the snakes when they got themselves into a muddle. He combed the knots out of the lion's mane, and he gave the meerkats a ride across the river. Mummy and Daddy Croc were so proud of Little Croc. And if Little Croc felt like doing something mischievous, Bird was there to make sure he didn't. At last, Little Croc had learned how to play nicely. Thank you for listening.